Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ThinkPhone 25 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and simply for checking you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. However, if you will decide to download the update, I highly recommend switching to the Wi-Fi because thanks to it you can simply avoid some additional charges because the files which are connected with the updates are quite large. Alright, so we've got the internet connection, then we can open the settings. Here, let's scroll down until you'll find this system updates, and let's tap on it. And then let's tap on check for updates here. And basically you can meet two different scenarios, or actually three, as you can see. So the first one is where your device is up to date and there's nothing to download. It will show you relevant information about it, so you're good to go. You do not have to do anything. The second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added. You will be able to check more info, and after that simply tap on download or install. It should appear somewhere here. And actually the third scenario is where your device actually downloaded the update, and here your device is insisting on restarting because without it, it won't be able to install the update. So you can also check it here whether you've got the update downloaded. So then simply tap on restart now. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.